Here is fans. So we are here with another video in which I'm gonna show you the new updates of Real Racing 3. So this is a 9.0 version of the Real Racing 3 in which the updates are massive as well. So the first one is the first flight. Yeah, this is a 7-day special event featuring Aston Martin Valkyrie. So this is the first game in which Aston Martin Valkyrie is getting featured, which is going to start on 17th of December. And once you complete this 7-day special event, Aston Martin Valkyrie is yours. So in real life, Aston Martin Valkyrie is a naturally aspirated car which produces around 900 horsepower. That means no superchargers, no turbochargers, and not even hybrid technologies are into it. So whatever the power that is produced by the engine itself. Next, we have got two new tracks in the Formula 1 2020 Championship Series. That means you're gonna race at Yas Marina Circuit at Abu Dhabi and at Catalonia at Barcelona. That means we have chances to get two new cars out of it by completing the series. Two new Formula 1 cars. That's a great chance. Coming up to next update, we have NASCAR. So previously, in the previous update, we were racing NASCAR at Indianapolis Raceway and at Daytona International Speedway. So now we have landed at Richmond Speedway. So basically Richmond Speedway is not that long or it's not that broad, but it is having its own different vibes and it's fascinating. So I'm surely gonna put some video in the upcoming days with the NASCAR racing at Richmond Speedway, and I hope that you will enjoy this. Then moving on to next update, this one is a great thing that Real Racing 2 has completed its 10th anniversary this year, and there's a car from Real Racing 2 which has landed in Real Racing 3. This is Corvette C6.R GT2. So obviously there's gonna be a special limited time series which we have to complete and we can grab the car into our garage. Okay, but definitely I'm gonna put video on this one also to show you guys that how fast the car is and how it handles and things. Then after this we have another limited time series of Bugatti Veyron 16.4 Grand Vitesse. So after completing this series, you're gonna get the Bugatti Veyron into our garage. Then exclusive series for two new cars. So recently Real Racing 3 has come up with a new car that was Bentley Continental GT3 and 2020's Ford Shelby GT500. So once we fully upgrade these cars, you're gonna get an entry into the exclusive series. So what happens in exclusive series is that the fully upgraded cars, you're gonna race with it. You're gonna earn rewards in the form of cash prizes and gold prizes, and this reward we can use for buying new cars or else for buying new upgrades. Then after that, there's new livery and new soundtrack from Team Mac. Okay, so from couple of months Team Mac was producing new liveries and new soundtrack for Real Racing 3. So Team Mac has come up with another livery and another soundtrack for the game. So after participating in 2020's Abu Dhabi Championship, Formula 1 Championship, they're able to get this livery onto a Formula 1 Academy car. And I'm obviously gonna show you that how the car looks.